This is a review on the 5x7 metal magnetic hoop for both the Brother and Baby Lock embroidery machines. The embroidery area is 5x7, which is pretty generous, and that's perfect for those medium-sized projects. The magnetics are really strong, and they securely hold the fabric in place, which makes it really easy when you're repositioning your fabric. It's really simple to use and has a quick setup. So it makes the transition in between your designs really quick and easy. Now, this is compatible with a wide range of both Brother and Baby Lock embroidery machines. Let me just show you how to use it. So first, it's going to come with this little template here that really helps you position things and enables you to find your center points all around and mark your fabrics accordingly. But when you're done doing that and you're ready to just go ahead and hoop your fabric, just go ahead and take your fabric. And I have this doubled up, so let me just open this up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and just slide my fabric here. And even though I still have this doubled, you're going to see how strong these magnets are. These magnets really are strong and they hold in place. You're really going to see how they work. So you can see here, they will really hold in place. And as I lift it up here, I can pull on it and you can see the fabric is not moving anywhere. It's really secure. And it has that nice interlocking that you use for all your machines. So it's really quick and easy to use, allows you to go ahead and take the magnets off and then just reposition your fabric as you need to. This is a great magnetic hoop. I have it in my craft room now for a pretty good amount of time where I've been using it for all kinds of projects. I really love it, and I'm sure you will too.